Okay, we're just wrapping up here at Hendrick BMW, and we're in Durham, North Carolina, and this shows you what their tool room turned out like. It turned out nice. It shows you the panels. All their tools are hung up in numerical sequence, so every tool has a place. As you can see, it shows you the picture of the tool and the tool and tool number. So if the guy knows the tool number, he can just go right to the numbers. It's numerical sequence, so it just works like a big book. And if he doesn't, he can physically go through the boards until he physically sees the tool and then get it. And then the tool will have a number on it, so he knows how to get it back. And it shows you all the tools. Here's their cables. Same thing. All their cables are in numerical sequence, hung up by number. With any tool system, a big part of it is having room to grow. So what we do is we hang them up in essential tool inventory, but we also leave room to put tools up. And with BMW, we'll pull out their legacy tools, we call them. They're older tools, and we containerize them and break them down by numbers. That's what's back here. We put them in these nice totes, and they're all broke down by, label them nice, they're all broke down by numbers. We put them up some wall mount over here, put up some of their engine stands, engine lifting fixtures, put up their dog tags. So when a guy comes in here and takes a dog tag and put it on the tool that he got, it shows you their shelves. We label their shelves and we make them up little kits for assembly tools. I'll show you that. And you got a couple carts here so for the bearings. This is a spring compressor cart. It has all their spring compressor tools in it. Let's see if I can open it up and show you. This cabinet over here is for shop supplies, but this shows you the kits I'm talking about. Like we made them up one for the M20 tiny tools, M51, M63, and any other tools that have assembly or a lot of pieces. We'll put or messy tools, we'll put them in these totes. Okay, with that, we work for Ray. We met Gary and Danny over here, the foremans. They're a great group of guys. And if you're looking to have your tool room done, these are the people you contact. That's 888-245-0050 or toolorg.com. And you can go out, if you're looking to have your tool room done, no matter if you have toolboxes, panels, whatever you have, these are the people you should contact, get some advice. And we got lots of videos out there that will show you befores and afters. And okay, with that, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to shut her down.